Now is the time for us to take action, ladies and gentlemen. At long last, it has taken place. Ripple's chief executive officer has stated that the company would undoubtedly emerge victorious in the legal dispute with the Securities and Exchange Commission, and that triumph will not be far off in the future. In addition, the words made by the CEO have provided specialists with plenty to think about. People believe that xrp+ripple has the potential to produce a new generation of millionaires. There is no way you can afford to miss it. This is the most significant bull signal. First things first, without further ado, let's get right down to business. I hereby defer. Within the constantly shifting environment of cryptocurrencies, there are only a few of coins that have generated as much controversy and curiosity as xrp+ripple. The narrative of Ripple has attracted the attention of investors as well as enthusiasts due to the fact that it holds a unique position in the market and is engaged in ongoing legal fights about its existence. A self-proclaimed XRP specialist recently expressed their dissatisfaction with the stalemate that has surrounded the SEC's case against Ripple in a tweet. Even if there was growing evidence of regulatory overreach, the case appeared to be well established. On the other hand, one individual continued to be unfazed. Ripple's chief executive officer, Brad Garlinghouse, was prepared to make his opinion known. All of the social media channels were filled with people who supported Garlinghouse's position. Colin Brown, a major supporter of Ripple, has demanded that Gary Gensler, the chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission (CC), step down from his position. Brown has accused the regulatory agency of giving Wall Street's interest more weight than those of investors. As all of this excitement was going on, Brad Garlinghouse sprang into the spotlight and gave an interview to CNBC in which he expressed his confidence over the future of cryptocurrency. He placed a strong emphasis on the necessity of leaders who encourage innovation while simultaneously protecting the interests of consumers. The confidence that Garlinghouse possessed extended to forecasts regarding the adoption of ETH spot ETFs. He cited a shifting tide in favor of cryptocurrency in both the courts and politics as the reason for his optimism. What precisely are exchange-traded funds ETFs, and why are they so crucial for people who possess xrp+ripple? Exchange-traded funds, sometimes known as ETFs, are investment funds that are exchanged on stock exchanges, just like stocks or other types of securities. Typically, they are holding assets such as stocks, commodities, or bonds, and they provide investors with the opportunity to profit from a diverse portfolio while also providing the flexibility to trade these assets at any time during the day. The possibility of exchange-traded funds ETFs to increase the availability and liquidity of XRP is the reason why ETFs are significant for holders of ripples of XRP. XRP has the potential to attract a wider range of investors, including institutional investors, if it is included in exchange-traded funds ETFs. This might result in a rise in both the demand for the cryptocurrency and its liquidity. Garlinghouse's most audacious comment was a call to action that was intended towards the administration of Vice President Joe Biden. In a moment that marked a turning point in the relationship between cryptocurrency and government regulation, Garlinghouse pushed the administration to demand that Gensler resign from his position. The following rejection of Senate Bill 121 by the administration of Vice President Joe Biden highlighted the significance of their position on cryptocurrency, so laying the groundwork for the possibility of exerting influence in future elections. During this time, the legal dispute between Ripple and the SEC continued to be in a state of uncertainty, while investors eagerly await a decision from the court over the motion to seal the document. The conclusion may have far-reaching repercussions, ranging from the required level of transparency to the potential impact on sales of XRP to institutional investors in the United States. As the Securities and Exchange Commission (CC) tried to impose significant penalties on Ripple for suspected violations of securities law, the cryptocurrency industry prepared for the Ripple effect. The ongoing tale of Ripple has continued to attract audiences all around the world, despite the fact that billions of dollars are at stake and the future of XRP is riding on the outcome. The ongoing attraction and volatility of the cryptocurrency market is demonstrated by this proof. Investors and industry professionals were, of course, captivated by the resounding words made by the chief executive officer of Ripple. At this time, industry professionals are discussing the forthcoming phenomenal expansion of xrp+ripple. One thing is certain: you are not prepared for this. You are going to be speechless. Recently, the euphoria that has been surrounding XRP has reached new heights with market analysts, which may result in an unprecedented increase in the value of XRP. Marx draws attention to a latent bull divergence for XRP, which indicates that there is a possibility of an increase that may cause its value to multiply by 360 times, going all the way up to $200. XRP is having a difficult time maintaining its position above the $0.51 one level, which is a vital threshold that must be maintained in order to prevent a collapse to the $0.50 zero. This analysis comes at a crucial time. Marx bases his estimate on a number of different technical indicators, pointing out that the underlying bullish momentum is still strong, despite the fact that recent price retracements might have occurred. The formation of a hidden bull divergence takes place when the price of an asset reaches a higher low, while a momentum indicator, such as the relative strength index, reaches a lower low over the same time period. The presence of this pattern suggests that the fundamental strength of the asset continues to exist, even if its price experiences a temporary decline. This hidden bull divergence has been validated for XRP by both the relative strength index and the price, which indicates that there is substantial underlying momentum inside the current rise. It is important to note that on the 18-day chart, XRP has been consistently recording higher lows since the year 2020, although its relative strength index has been experiencing lower lows since the year 2016. Marx observes that XRP is getting closer to the convergence point of a pennant or coil pattern, which is a technical formation that frequently comes before a breakout. This is in addition to the positive divergence that has been observed. The occurrence of this pattern, which is distinguished by trend lines that are converging, often indicates that the preceding trend will continue. When XRP fell from its all-time high of approximately $4 in January 2018, it started to construct this enormous pennant structure that would last for multiple years. Taking into consideration the recent price movements of XRP, this pattern indicates that a strong bullish breakout may be possible in the near future. By referring to the success of XRP throughout its history, Marx highlights the possible impact that this concealed bull divergence could have. XRP has previously undergone a spectacular gain of over 110,000%, which demonstrates its ability for expansion, as he points out in his statement. Marx estimates that if XRP breaks out as anticipated, it might witness increases that approach 36,000%, sending its price into $200 region, and furthermore, it only gets more exciting. This projection is based on the historical precedence that was mentioned before. However, Marx is not the only one who is bullish. There are also other professionals who are not taking a back seat. They are of the opinion that xrp+ripple will, in the not-too-distant future, give rise to a new generation of millionaires. It is absolutely impossible for you to overlook this. In all of the history of cryptocurrencies, something like this has never occurred before. Some investors are looking forward to a potential windfall by imagining a scenario in which holding 1,000 XRP tokens might yield an astounding $1 million if XRP reaches the ambitious price target of $1,000. This is in the middle of speculations that an imminent price explosion is on the horizon. Despite the fact that it has a lot of promise, XRP has encountered a lot of difficulties, especially in the most recent few months. The XRP cryptocurrency has had a difficult time gaining momentum in contrast to other cryptocurrencies that have had large uptrends. To give just one example, Bitcoin, the most prominent cryptocurrency, has experienced a growth of 150% since the beginning of the bull market in the fourth quarter of 2023. In the same vein, the value of Solana has surged by an astounding 679%, while Ethereum has witnessed a solid 126% increase during the same time frame. To put this into perspective, the value of XRP has only seen a marginal increase since the fourth quarter of the previous year. A number of industry experts have expressed their surprise at XRP's lackluster performance, and many have theorized on the factors that may be contributing to its poor performance. Some people believe that it is due to the prolonged price suppression that occurred as a consequence of the litigation filed by the SEC, which has been a cloud over XRP for more than 3 years. Some people believe that the constant sales of XRP by Ripple is an issue that should be considered. There have been reports that Ripple has sold more than 800